May nalaglag ka.
Oh my God! Do you want to learn about Galapagos rice? Let's start with the plates. We have the Nazca, Cocos, and Pacific plates diverging, and Nazca and South American plates converging. If two plates collide, one of them subducts. Wouldn't that mean you lose material because they subduct under the plates? No, because new parts of the plates form at divergent boundaries. Magma from the upper mantle fills the void from the plates separating, then cools to form a new part of the crust. The area where magma fills the space between the divergent plates is called the spreading center. The spreading center can sometimes form mid-ocean ridges, which are like mountains but underwater, like the Carnegie Ridge and the Cocos Ridge, which are like formed like the letter V due to the direction the plates move in.
Remember the magma from the upper mantle earlier? It's called the mantle plume. They are large amounts of rock that come from the mantle and rise against the crust. This one, as mentioned, feeds the spreading center between Nazca and Cocos plates. It also acts as a hotspot and can puncture the crust, forming volcanoes there, which is how the Galapagos Island chain and Galapagos rice was formed. Hotspot punctures crust, forms volcano. Then volcano spreads lava, which then cools and adds to the existing cone of the island. Then the volcano gets pulled away by the Nazca plate and it starts over. However, the Galapagos chain isn't formed in a very straight line. Also, since the Galapagos Islands are over the hotspot, many of the volcanoes are still very active, with 13 out of its 21 volcanoes still active.
Wait, guys, stop. I have a joke first.
What is it?
What did Nazca set to Cocos plate when colliding each other? What? Sorry, it's my fault.
Actually, they don't collide, they diverge.
Okay. So, continuing now, let's discuss the effects and consequences of this Galapagos rise. One of its big consequences to human is the volcanic eruption brought by the many active volcanoes in it. The eruptions can cause the ecosystem around it to be bothered, disrupting or hurting plants and animals around. The largest volcano in Galapagos Island, Wolf Volcano that can be found in Isabela Island, reaches 1,707 meters or 5,600 feet. The ashes and smoke that comes from these volcanic eruptions can pollute the air and possibly the atmosphere since volcanic eruptions emit carbon dioxide.
Did you learn many things, Cass?
Gusto ko lang naman sabihin na nalaglag yung jumbo hotdog mo.